Welcome to our channel. In this video, we have completed a list of 50 essential sentences that you can use every day in both the office and house settings. Whether you are a professional working in an office or a homemaker managing your household, these sentences will come in handy for effective communication. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning videos and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. We hope you find this video helpful. Good morning. How are you today? Please pass me the file. Did you finish the report? I need your help with a task. The meeting starts at 10 a.m. Can you attend the meeting with me? I will be out for lunch. Let's schedule a meeting for next week. What's the agenda for today's meeting? I appreciate your hard work. Do you have a moment to discuss something? I will be in my office if you need me. The deadline is approaching. We need to speed up. Thank you for your prompt response. Please make sure to proofread the document. I will take care of it. Could you please email me the details? Don't forget to submit your timesheet. The printer is out of paper again. Can you help me set up the projector? The Wi-Fi seems to be down. Let's collaborate on this project. Could you share your thoughts on this matter? I have a question about the assignment. I will be in a meeting until 3 p.m. The school bus is here. Have you seen my keys? Please pick up groceries on your way home. Dinner is ready. Did you finish your homework? I need to buy some stationery for school. Can you help me with my math homework? The garbage needs to be taken out. I will do the dishes tonight. Have you watered the plants? It's time for bed. I will drop the kids off at school. Let's carpool to work tomorrow. I have a dentist appointment at 2 p.m. Can you sign this form for me? I will be working from home tomorrow. The power went out. I will call maintenance. Please update the calendar with the new dates. I have a doctor's appointment this afternoon. The conference call is at 4:30 p.m. Let's order lunch for the team. I will reserve a meeting room for the presentation. Could you send me the agenda in advance? Don't forget to lock the door when you leave. Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So, if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.